Okay guys, this is how to connect your wallet and withdraw your earnings from EarnCraft. Okay, so you see this wallet, deploy as in wallet, you click on it. When you click on it, you see connect wallet, add flat wallet. So click on me, I'm going to connect, so I'll click on connect wallet. Okay, so after that you see USDT on turn network. So connect the wallet, you click here, you click on it, then click on choose your wallet. Me, I'm going to choose Keeper. Okay, click on Keeper. It will bring you direct to your wallet. Okay, so I've seen it. Click on connect wallet. Make sure you allow the notification, then put your password. It will bring you back to the update. You see wallet is connected. Click on get phone number, then click on share. So you see this is the phone number. Okay, so you leave it, you leave it like this. Okay, that's your phone number. If you want to update it, you click on this update. If you want to change it, if you change the number, you click on update, then click on save. Okay, now you see the wallet have connect. So click on this withdraw. You see transaction fee range from 1% to 15%. So click on withdraw. Okay, you see withdrawal amount. You see, please make sure everything is correct before confirming. You see withdrawal amount $1. If you have it more than that, you can increase. You see, but you don't have it, it's showing red. Okay, so you leave it like this. Okay, that's minimum per withdrawal. Total cash expected arrival $1. You see, by tapping confirm, you authorize the transfer to the account showing above. That's this wallet address that you're connected. Then click on confirm. You click on confirm again. So you come here, you see processing, right? So we are going to wait. When it's approved, I will still show you guys. Okay, so as for now, it's processing. Okay, now have you seen it? The withdrawal has gone successful. Okay, now if you check view details, you see here, this is my turn details. So if they paid you, you are going to see a message here. You see, let's read it together. They say you got paid, withdrawal completed, your withdrawal was successful, real reward delivered, check your wallet for details. This is just the beginning. The more people you invite, the more bonus reward you can earn. Early user get higher chance. Share EarnCraft and grow your reward. Go to task, upload payment receipt to get one more spend. Okay, so I'm going to take you to my wallet now so that we will confirm it together. All right, so let's see, this is my Keeper wallet. Okay, have you seen it? Boom, you see it here, $1. Okay, you see, if you check the transaction history, you see it here, EarnCraft reward. Okay, $1 received. Have you seen it? You see, $1 received, 24 July. You see it? You see it, right? EarnCraft reward. So this update is paying and is legit. If you take this update serious, there's nothing that will stop you make a pocket change. Okay, so guys, I will leave the link in the comment section of the video, and I will leave the my telegram community. The link will be in the video description. Don't forget, join my telegram so that anytime I drop a new update like this, I will notify you guys there, and when updates stop paying like this, I will notify you guys there. Okay, so make sure you take this update serious, and let's make this money together. Okay, I wish you happy cash out.